How to change Twitter X display name. If any day any of you are a Twitter user and you would like to change your Twitter X display name but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Twitter application on your mobile device. You can find the Twitter application or the X application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on it like this. After you tap on it like this, Twitter or the X application will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon on the top side and then tap on your profile like this. After you tap on your profile like this, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next option. That is on the option of edit the profile. After tapping on edit the profile here in the option of name, you can set it to any of the name that you want or the display name that the people would see. So after you tap on your display name by editing it like this, you have to go to the option of save here. Now, after you go to the option of save, you can see that the Twitter X display name has been changed. So this is the way on how you can change the Twitter X display name, which is very easy and convenient and fast as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.